what Salman's lifestyle would be in terms of his fitness, in terms of his activity, in terms of physicality, in terms of his body, and I think that's really what will vibe with everybody, because this is the true Salman. Though we've created a set here and recreated his lifestyle and get more people attracted to the benefits of this brand, which is why we have used Salman Khan.
Action. इसलिए मेरा भरोसा Revital.
The idea was to create a new age kind of a pad जिसमें एक modern aesthetics वाला gymnasium और एक breakfast table हो for this product Revital. We are showing that a man who has multiple activities going on, phone भी आ रहा है और emails भी check कर रहे हैं, jogging भी कर रहा है, नाश्ता भी कर रहा है.
Revital मैं काफ़ी सालों से खाता हूँ. मेरे फादर खाते थे. मेरे फादर ने कहा कि इसमें जिनसिंग वगैरह है. It's very good for health. So I used to have it. करीबन 15 साल हो गए. जब आए Revital वाले मेरे पास, so they was like wondering कि will you do it, not do it. Revital से I have it. I don't mind endorsing it. My medicine box, Revital is always there. Action. भाग दौड़ भरी जिंदगी, थकना मना है. इसलिए मेरा भरोसा Revital. Wow. Okay, all are good. Cut.
Salman is a fitness icon. It's really great to know that Salman himself has been consuming the product last 10-15 years. And a fit body like him and all can be anyone's dream. Exercise regularly like Salman does and have Revital and you'd be unlike Salman one day.
Revital is a very excellent and very good health supplement which has 11 vitamins, 9 minerals and ginseng, which have been carefully chosen so that they deliver the efficacy that one requires on a daily basis. So the mix of vitamin and minerals in Revital is very nicely crafted. We do a lot of R&D behind it. Even after 20 years of its existence in the market, we keep doing continuous testing, specifications, protocol testings and all. So we ensure that the product is healthy, it's safe and one can consume it for a very, very long time.
Post I joined Anbaxy is where I had my first kid. And initial days it was very hectic because the kid won't let you sleep in the night. And you had the whole office to attend the whole day. That was the biggest trigger that I had while started using Revital. And post my usage, I realized that I was much fitter, more active, could do my job 12 hours at office and then another 12 hours at home. So that balancing helped, and that was my trigger. And post that, I've been on the brand non-stop. I've not stopped the brand after that.
Earlier एक चीज़ हुआ करती थी कि जैक ऑफ ऑल मास्टर ऑफ नन नहीं होना चाहिए, मास्टर ऑफ वन होना चाहिए. जो सीखा है हॉर्स राइडिंग से लेके, साइकिलिंग से लेके, स्केटिंग से लेके, बचपन में वो कंफू वंफू का वो जो एक कराटे और मार्शल आर्ट्स का एक दौर था ब्रूस ली के टाइम पर, वो सभी चीज़ें काम आई हैं लाइफ के अंदर, क्योंकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर ये सब हमें करना पड़ता है. और जब तक हेल्थ है, आप हो, हेल्थ गड़बड़ हो गई तो आप गड़बड़ हो गए. इफ़ यू लुक एट योर सेल्फ इन द मिरर, यू शुड फील के अच्छा आज मामला ठीक ठाक है. हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर आदमी बेस्ट लगता है पैकअप के बाद. जब आदमी घर पे आता है, वर्कआउट करता है, नहा धोता है, पार्टी में जाता हो तो एकदम फ्रेश लगता है. एक्शन. चाहिए दुगना रिवाइटल पावर तो शुरू करो रोजाना रिवाइटल G+. जो बचपन के जो डिशेस थे, जैसे कैरामल कस्टर्ड है, खीर है, सेवइयाँ है, फ्रूट कस्टर्ड है, टूटी फ्रूटी का एक वो केक हुआ करता था, तो आई डोंट नो, कसाटा आइसक्रीम, अब ये सब तो बंद हो गए. कहाँ से ढूंढ के जितने अवेलेबल थे वो सब आजकल थोड़ा लिमिट के अंदर खा रहा हूँ.
He finds a way to connect with whatever he does. It's his own way. उनका एक अपना तरीका है. It seems as if he's effortless. It seems as if he's not really deeply into it. But when you see the result, you will find how accurately involved he is in the script. एक charming तरीके से वो प्रोडक्ट को या रोल को या कैरेक्टर को अपना बना लेता है.
I think he's very chilled out. I think he's a great guy to work out. We get along fine. Not irritable, doesn't push you. He knows what you're capable of, और he knows कि अच्छे performance और बुरे performance के अंदर इस level पे एक आध note का ही फर्क है, एक आध 2 point का ही फर्क है. So he knows these things. So I'm very comfortable to understand what he's doing.
Roll camera and action. And cut.
Being human, we basically are dealing with people who are not well. So अब not well को well करने के लिए medicine की ज़रूरत होती है. तो I said कि जब भी ऐसा कुछ होए कि दवाइयों की ज़रूरत पड़े हॉस्पिटल्स या इलाज के लिए या कैलामिटी के लिए, तो क्या आप हमें वो दवाइयाँ देंगे? इससे नो प्रॉब्लम.